I can see all the chats, all the comments. Okay, so again, we would like to thank you for coming and for joining us here in our first meeting, first coordination meeting with the focals, the regions, and the SDO. So, can you, all right. So, let me know if I cannot see this one. That's why it's really hard. Okay, so the reason why we've called for this meeting, pasensya na po kung wala kaming memo on this because when we had the meeting with the management, kailangan po talagang urgent because marami nang nare-raise na questions, marami ng mga tanong ang mga focals and packs. Bakit daw hindi pa activated yung iba, ang tagal na nag-send.
Donna! May
Sige
orientation.
po, pakimute po ang ating mga microphones so that you can hear me clearly and of course all the discussants in this meeting. All right. Okay. So may mga nagtatanong na po at may mga kulang pa tayong slots. Ang target po talaga natin dapat ay 100,000 which we really have to hit, no? Kaya po kami ay napatawag. And of course, to give clarity on what e-learning is all about, no? To give you further information on that. So we really want to thank you and I hope that sa mga next pa natin meeting ay umattend kayo so that we won't answer individually yung mga questions nyo because ito na, meron na tayong meeting. So, may enlighten na ang bawat isa, hopefully, right? Okay, so what are the agenda of the meeting? Or what is the agenda of the meeting po? First is that we will discuss po yung learning path. Sir Dustin will discuss learning path later on. And then the collection of courses. We have core PD courses and self-directed courses. Mamaya ibibigyang linaw niya. Once na-activate na, once na may access na ang mga packs, ano na susunod? So ito na po, pupunta na sila or bibigyan na sila ng kanilang guidance on the learning path. All right? And then of course, we will give you updates on the submission per SDO and then of course per region. So kailangan po, as I said, matarget natin yung slot, yung given slots natin for intake 1, right? Okay, and then i-refresh namin kayo sa activation process and e-learning path. May I request everybody na to guide our participants na i-check nila sa NAEP FB page kasi meron kami mga pub mats there and then later on we'll be sending po instructional videos which you can share sa ating mga packs, no? Para hindi kayo pa ulit-ulit na nagbibigay ng answer sa ating mga participants. So mamaya, Paolo, may I request Sir Paolo to also send the link through the chat box, send the link of the PubMat on how to navigate or how to access yung ating e-learning courses sa platform. All right? And of course, we'll have ways forward and other matters kung meron pa tayong time. All right? Sige po, let's move on. Okay. So mamaya na to, no? Mamaya na po itong meeting agenda. At this juncture, we shall have agenda 1, which is learning path and collection of courses, the core and the self-directed courses. And then at this point, we'll be hearing it from our discussant, Sir Dustin Troyhoson, who is in Baguio, and he's going to clarify things to all of us. So, Sir Dustin, are you there? I mean, are you here in the platform?
Yeah, Ms. Risa.
All right. So,
Good
take
morning.
it away, Sir
Can I be
Dustin. I'm
heard?
giving you the virtual floor. Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. Sige. So, good morning, dear colleagues from the regions. So, let me share my slide po muna. Right. Okay. Good morning, everyone, and I was tasked to discuss about the learning path collection. And the participants are from Region B.
Medyo choppy ka.
And,
Sir Dustin, medyo choppy po tayo.
okay, yeah. So please bear with me. Got connection here. Okay, is this better? Miss Riza?
Hindi pa, sir.
Okay. I'll turn off my ano, bawas sa ano. Yeah, how about this? Is this better?
All right, you can go ahead. Thank you.
All right, thank you. So once again, good morning po. So I'll discuss the learning path and collection. Okay. So there are two programs, meaning to say there are two categories of courses na mako-consume or that the participants, the intakes should take. The first one is the core PD courses, which pertains to um, mandated courses, required courses. Now, learning will be assessed through a post-test administered via the DepEd LMS. Then DepEd certificates will be issued only to participants who successfully pass the LMS assessment. So please take note of that. Those who do not pass on their first attempt may retake the assessment again. So that's the core PD courses. Then later on, i-describe ko po siya sa inyo. Self-directed, on the other hand, self-directed courses, these are courses provided by NAYAP and can be completed at the participants' own pace based on their preferred schedule after the completion of core programs. So basically, ang gusto namin sabihin dito ay unahin pong tapusin ang core PD courses. And these are assigned. Okay? Ito yung tinatawag nating learning path. And then the self-directed courses are available in the platform to be taken by the participants on their own pace naman na po. Okay? Sige, let's go deeper into the discussion. So what is a learning path and how is it different from the collection? Now, a learning path indicates specific series of courses that learner must take in a particular sequence. So basically, yun lang po yun. Meron siyang pagkakasunod-sunod. Okay? At yun ang dapat na mangyari. Now, how do they access the learning path? So considering na sila po ay activated na-activate na po ang kanilang LinkedIn Learning account. Okay? Then they can access it already in the LinkedIn Learning. I'll just have to explain that the LinkedIn Learning platform is different from LinkedIn itself. Yung LinkedIn po na isa, that's like a social media platform for professionals. Okay? Kumbaga para siyang Facebook, yung LinkedIn. Ngayon si LinkedIn Learning is, again, separate pa po. Okay? So ang pupuntahan po ng ating participants is the LinkedIn Learning. Now, through the platform,
Participants, kindly unmute. Kindly mute your microphone.
okay, sige. So through that platform, makikita po nila sa kanilang dashboard yung assigned by DepEd. So ito po yon, assigned by Department of Education. Then you'll notice also that that's a learning path. Nakalagay naman po. Okay, then may due date. Okay, kasi this is time sensitive. Meron lang po siyang number of days to be completed. Ngayon, another way to access that is through the email. So pag nag-assign po kami ng learning path kay participants, nano-notify po sila sa email. Alright? So please advise the participants as well on this kasi doon po mas madali nilang makita. And then they just click start learning. And then after that, they will be directed doon sa platform. So ito na yung lalabas. Ano yung inassign kay participant na learning path? Ito pong professional development journey with LinkedIn Learning. And then they just start learning. So when they click that, lalabas na po yung courses, yung succession of courses, yung sinasabing meron siyang order, pagkakasunod-sunod. Ayan po, no? So like for example, how to use LinkedIn Learning, gaining skills with LinkedIn Learning. Ayan po, magkakasunod-sunod na po yan. Professional development goal setting and then personal and professional development tips. So lahat po yon, ganun po yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng courses na yon. And after each course po, mag-generate po si LinkedIn ng certificate para kay participant. Okay, so meron siyang certificate from LinkedIn. Kaya iba pa po yung sinasabi natin kanina dun sa Core PD program, Core PD course rather, na kailangan pa po itong mag-undergo ng LMS for their post-test. At doon naman po, manggagaling na pag pumasa po sila sa post-test, okay, they have successfully passed the post-test, completed all of these courses in the learning path, and have uploaded the certificates provided by LinkedIn doon sa DepEd LMS, doon sa training.gov.ph, deped.gov.ph, doon po ngayon mag-generate yung DepEd NAIAP certificate naman po nila. Okay, so I hope that is clear. And then kung pansinin nyo po yung ating courses, ayan po, pag nag-click na po sila nung kanilang course, so for example, this one, how to use LinkedIn Learning, because this is essential for them to navigate the platform. Ayan na po, makita po nila dun sa contents, these are videos to be consumed. Okay, mapanoorin po nila. They can take down notes, all right? And when I say take down notes, just get what is essential for them that will help them to further learn, further explore and enhance their skills of a particular topic. So ganun po ang ibig sabihin ng note-taking na yon. Kasi baka naman ang word ng participants pag sinabing note-taking, ay baka naman yung buong ay talagang dinocument nila. Hindi po ganon. Okay? And then also, if you notice here, meron ditong portion dito that there is a generative AI na if they have questions about the course, you can ask it through this AI. Okay? So the inputs, insights of the AI will probably most likely help them, okay, get further understanding about the course or the topic being discussed. So meron siyang micro videos dito, okay, micro learnings, okay, to finish the entire course and then later on the entire learning path. Now, ano yung mga available for teachers? So, as I mentioned, itong nauna professional development journey with LinkedIn Learning, okay, with 4 hours and then a total of 2 hours and 45 minutes. Sir, kailangan po bang isang upuan lang na tapusin ang 2 hours and 57 minutes? Hindi po. They can take these courses, okay, within the time frame given. Kasi yun po yung difference ni learning path ng ating core PD courses. Meron po siyang time limit or time sensitive. Meron po kasing date range lang po siya para matapos po nila yung courses. Alright? So malinaw po sana iyon, no? So for example, if this is a 3-month subscription, they are assigned this particular learning path for 2 weeks. 2 weeks po nilang pwedeng take yung course, complete yung course kapag LMS assessment para makabigyan siya ng DepEd NAIAP certificate. Okay po? The second one here is applied knowledge of content within and across curriculum teaching areas. Now the next set naman na po, these are all PPST based. These are standards based na po. Okay? The 2 courses available and then 1 hour and 24 minutes. Then the next one is use a range of teaching strategies that enhance learner achievement in literacy and numeric skill. Hindi ko na po masyadong babasahin ang description, no? Because we'll be providing copies of this naman. The number of courses is 3. Total number of hours is 4 hours and 35 minutes. Then another is apply a range of teaching strategies to develop critical and creative thinking as well as HOTS, with 3 courses within that learning path and for 3 hours and 30 minutes. Then we also have plan, manage, and implement developmentally sequenced teaching and learning process. So you would also notice that the titles of the learning path is actually the PPST strand na indicator na rin po. Okay? Number of courses is 2 and then that's for 1 hour 55 minutes. Select, develop, organize, and use appropriate teaching and learning resources, including ICT, with 4 courses to be taken in 4 hours and 34 minutes. Then, we also have design, select, organize, and use diagnostic, formative, and summative assessment strategies with 1 course and to be taken in 42 minutes. So, baka nagtataka po kayo, Sir, bakit ganon? Iba-iba ang bilang ng courses. That is because we really did evaluate the available videos, the available courses in LinkedIn so that it would fit our context in one way or another. Okay, but we have to accept the fact pag kayo po ay tinawagan ng ating mga at tanungin kayo, baka matanong kayo ng ating mga participants, sir, ba't ganito? Hindi naman pang teaching ito, hindi naman to pang school. That is because the context of LinkedIn Learning, its courses, is for business or corporate po. Ano po? Ang mahalaga po doon na ipapaliwanag natin is they get essential skills, and later on, this has to be translated to our context in the schools and in the classroom. Okay po? Now, for master teachers, we have the learners' linguistic, cultural, socio-economic, and religious backgrounds with 4 courses, and that's for 3 hours and 16 minutes. Then we also have coaching and mentoring essentials. Mayroon siyang 7 courses, which will run for 5 hours and 16 minutes. Leading and inspiring teams with 3 courses, and then that's for 1 hour, 38 minutes. Okay. So yun po ang learning path. And again, the learning path pertains to the core PD course. Kumbaga, this is the mandatory. This is assigned. Meron itong allotted time. And when I said allotted time, it's good for 3 weeks, 2 weeks, ganun po. Now, there's another one which is the collection. It's suggested content with a specific order. Okay? Hindi siya kailangang panoorin, aralin na magkakasunod. Pwede silang pumili. Okay? So, paano ma-access yung collection? Now, once in the platform, kagaya po kanina, may kita po yung recommended ni DepEd. Ayan, then they will see their collection, core behavioral competencies, self-management. So, that's the example. Okay? Then once they click that, lalabas po yung sa kanilang dashboard yung library nila, and then makita na po yung set of collections or recommended courses ng DepEd. And then they have to access that, they have to click that once again, at ito yung lalabas. Ito po ang collections. So if you've noticed, yun nga yung difference niya kay Learning Path. So Learning Path ay sunod-sunod na. Okay? Kailangan unahin yung nasa unahan, yung nasa taas, then pababa. Whereas kapag dito sa collection, they can choose whichever first that they want to. For example, unahin nila yung learning from failure. Okay? For 26 minutes. And then after that, natapos na sila. Ang next nila ay yung prioritizing your task. So, ganun po ang difference ni Learning Path by collection. Alright, just to take note din po, ang isa ring difference ni collection kay Learning Path, si collection ay hindi po magno-notify or walang marireceive na email notification si participant. Nandoon na po sa platform. I-access po nila. Okay? Kaya pwede silang mamili among the collections available, at pagpasok pa nila doon sa collections, mamimili pa sila ng video na kanilang pwede nang aralin. So ano yung self-directed courses or the collections that we have available? So basically, these are the core behavioral competencies as of this time. Kasi again, I'll repeat, in-evaluate namin ang videos to ensure that these are close to our context in DepEd. Ano yung makakatulong sa ating teachers, sa ating participants? So sa core behavioral competencies, we have self-management with 5 courses and will run for 3 hours and 2 minutes. So that's the totality of those 5 videos or 5 courses. Then another is professionalism and ethics with 5 courses, and that's for 3 hours and 11 minutes. We also have core behavioral competencies results focused with 5 courses, and it's good for 3 hours and 1 minute. Then there's the teamwork, which has 5 courses and will run for 3 hours and 46 minutes. And then lastly, sa ngayon po, yung service orientation with 3 courses and will run for 3 hours and 6 minutes. So yun po ang difference ni learning path from collection, from what is a PD core, core PD course, sorry, and then self-directed course. Just to give you some facts. Okay, I hope na maayos po yung pacing ko at hindi naging masyadong mabilis. Alright? So for facts lang po, ito pong ating e-learning courses, e-learning videos, itong ating LinkedIn Learning, the teachers or participants can apply it sa PRC as self-directed learning. Okay? Kaya nga po, mag-i-issue ng DepEd certificates, but looking doon po sa number 2 natin, kailangan nilang mag-post test, and that will be through LMS. Now also take note, before PD courses are assigned, magno-notify po yan sa kanilang email. At self-directed courses naman ay recommended. Nasa platform na, mamimili na lang po sila doon. For number 5, please note that there will be other learning path and collections to be offered. So yung pumpidresent ko, hindi pa po doon natatapos yun. Alright? Because we're continuously evaluating the existing courses in LinkedIn para masiguro nga sa ating mga skilled teachers. Number 6, LinkedIn certificates are needed for the LMS.
Shopee ka, Dustin.
Yeah, hello?
Better please go on. It's okay,
Okay.
na po.
Okay. Core PD courses has a set of number of days to be accomplished. And then, whereas the self-directed courses has no set number of days for accomplishment. Yun po yung tatandaan natin doon. So, for example, the subscription is available to the teacher for 3 months. Yung self-directed courses na yon, yung collections na yon, available yon in that span of 3 months. Kaya siya na lang talaga yung magde-determine kung ano yung aaralin niya, kailan niya aaralin, alright? Ganun po yun. Whereas yung ating core, para malinaw lang po, inuulit-ulit ko lang po, yung core PD courses, meron po siyang given time. No? 3 weeks, 2 weeks, kaya kailangan silang titignan din talaga nila yung kanilang email notification. Baka may assign na pala sa kanila, tapos hindi nila na take, okay? And that would be difficult. Then again, eto nabanggit ko na po yata ito kanina, no? While these courses are presented within a business or corporate context, participants must be able to understand, apply, and translate content to their specific roles and practices within the school setting. Tandaan po natin, paliwanag po natin na ang kailangan ma-absorb ng ating teachers dito, ng ating participants dito, ay yung skill, okay, on how to, for example, how to use feedbacking mechanism. So, ang context ng video ay para sa corporate or business. Siyempre, ang later on, ang translation sa kanyang classroom practice, paano siya magbibigay ng effective feedback sa kanyang mga learners. Ganun po. And then, the last one is finish all core PD courses and self-directed courses before engaging in other LinkedIn courses available in the platform. Because ang ating LinkedIn learning platform is very rich in courses. Marami po sila makikita na that they will really be interested in taking in. Like for example, data analysis and all of those things. Okay? But then, bago po nila yun i-take, kailangan masiguro po natin. Yes? Alright, that's noted po. And thank you for sharing that. So I guess, Miss Riza, that ends my presentation.
So, thank you po, Sir Dustin, no, for speaking about or discussing about the content, no. Sa nakita niyo po naman, dear Focals, RO and SDO Focals, that our courses are just micro learning courses, meaning to say they're just bite sized, and nakita nyo kasi maraming mga packs na natatakot, no? Sasabihin meron silang degree or other scholarships na kasama sila, they can still be part of this kasi lalo na pagkasama sila sa list because um kayang-kaya nila 'tong kunin or i-take kasi hours lang siya. Yung iba nga 1 hour, 2.5, pero hindi naman at in one sitting lang ay kukunin mo na, tatapusin mo na. So please discourage our packs from withdrawing or maybe declining from the program kasi they are prioritized, especially dun sa mga nakalagay na sa batch, no, sa intake 1, intake 2, intake 3, they're given priorities to take the course. And sana iintindi natin sa kanila, they're just micro learning courses. They can be taken in hours lang po. Pero within 3 months ang binibigay natin sa ating mga intake, no? So after intake 1, intake 2 naman at intake 3. So may mga
Ma'am, nakamute po kayo.
Ayan, thank you so much. All right, so please encourage them. They're given 3 months, just like intake 1, intake 2, intake 3. Tapos 48 hours of training, at least 48 hours of training. Meron silang pagkakataon to of course take the non-negotiable courses and the self-directed ones, as mentioned and as discussed by Sir Dustin. All right, I'm back. Somebody removed me from the platform. Okay. Am I still on mute? All right. Okay, so they're given again 3 months, no, to finish 48 hours of training of courses, of micro learning courses. So meron silang pagkakataon, of course, to take and finish the non-negotiable and explore other self-directed programs. Ayan, within 3 months. So please discourage them, ha, pag may nagsasabi po na ay hindi mahihirapan po sila. Hindi po sila mahihirapan. And they'll be receiving certificates. Meron generated naman ang LinkedIn. Kaya lang sa atin, for you to be able to get the certificate from NEAP, susundin natin yung binigay ni Sir Dustin na instruction, no, dun sa LMS na kung saan i-direct na yung ating mga participants. Okay, ang main concern dito ay, ma'am, up until now, wala pang access ang aming mga scholars. No, nagbigay na kami ng master list, wala pa po silang access. Okay, so please don't worry. We are just checking po, by batch kami nagbibigay. Sabi nga ni Sir Dustin kanina, nagbigay na per batch ng mga access. O kung ikaw ay may access na, that's the only time na you'll be given the kailangan mo na i-take yung course at meron ngang deadline yon. All right? So dun sa mga wala pang access, just wait po kasi lahat po per batch po, kini-clean po talaga yung chine-check po kasi kung may undertaking ba yung pinasa nyo, yung master list ba, correct ba po yung yung mga email addresses, kasi yung iba bumabalik, hindi talaga natatanggap pag wrong ang depth and email address. All right? O ang mali ang email address na binigay. Okay, so yes, we'll be giving the recording of this presentation po, ayusin lang po namin. All right? Then PubMats are available, and then we'll be giving po instructional videos on how to really navigate yung mga learning paths. So we'll be working on that after this meeting. Yun naman ang aming focus no sa team namin. And PubMats are available at NAYAP FB page. Yung ating how to navigate. Later on we'll be showing you that. Pero mamaya ibibigay din sa ating chat box ang link nito so that you can also disseminate that one to your um, participants. Okay? So, may problem sa access ang account nila until now. Na-share na po yung PubMats. Ang access po ay individually sinisend po sa email ng inyong mga participants. Alright? So, kanina sinabi ko dun sa meeting na remind your participants na once na may undertaking list sila, nasa master list nyo naman sila, na-submit naman sa region, to check their emails time and again para maano po kung meron na sila, mabibigyan na sila ng access. But good news, as per the ones in charge of the data po, the database, bibigyan kayo, ayusin lang po, maybe today, later this afternoon or tomorrow, a link wherein you can check sino na po ang nabigyan ng access at sino pa ang wala. Yun po yung ibibigay sa inyo mamaya po. You know? Nice po. Kanina dun sa first cluster, we were not able to inform them about this, but ngayon lang po ang nabigay ang information na yun, which is really helpful sa ating lahat to check kung sino pa dun sa mga binigay natin or pinasa natin ang may access. Alright? Or at wala. Okay. Yes, yes po. Sir, yes. We acknowledge
Hello,
that.
ma'am.
Kasi nga, yes po, by batch po kasi ang ating pagbibigay ng access. Hinay-hinay lang po no kasi meron tayong tinatawag na data cleansing. I've heard somebody's spoke. Can you please
Yes,
go
ma'am.
ahead,
Hello,
sir?
ma'am.
Do you have a question? Yes, go ahead, sir.
Ma'am, this is from Ifugao.
Yes,
Do
sir.
we have also a schedule of this orientation with regards to PD course and self-directed course to our scholars, ma'am?
That will be part of the instructional videos na you can disseminate and they can watch. Yun na po yun. Kasi to hold an orientation for a huge number of people, hindi kakayanin po. So yun ang gaano
Okay.
natin,
Sige, thank
PubMats,
you.
and at the same time, yung mga instructional videos. Okay, I'll just answer one question. Ano po? This time it's from Sir Arjo.
Hello po, good afternoon po, or good morning.
Good
Yan
morning.
po, Sir Argel po from SDO Tanawan. Ma'am,
Alright, go ahead.
kasi hindi lang ako makapag-chat kaya po ako nagtanong na.
It's
Ang
fine.
question ko lang ma'am kasi po, mostly po kasi doon sa mga intake 1 namin na participants are technologically challenged and we
Mhm.
recognize that naman po. And kanina po, narinig ko rin, kanina sinabi niyo po na yung core PD courses na yun ay may time, kumbaga may time limit
Oo.
or may deadline. Ngayon po ay syempre hindi rin naman namin kaagad-agad matawagan sila isa-isa na dumating na ba sa inyo yung email and all. Ang tanong ko po ma'am kasi is if ever po na malampasan yung isa naming participant ng deadline, ano po ang kailangan niyang i-prepare? Ano po ang kailangan namin gawin with regard that po? Thank you po.
Okay. We have admins here po assigned per cluster na nandun mismo sa loob ng ano po ng platform, and then once meron na silang access, we'll check po yung progress din at saka yung sorry, nare-remove po ako sa platform. Alright, sir hindi ko alam kung saan ako na-stop. Pero po meron kami mga admins to help dito po pag once na nasa platform na ang ating mga participants. But yung instructional video, can you help us disseminate that once it is already prepared? And at the same time, itong orientation natin no na ang kanila lang naman no ang kanilang mga hours naman na provided o ang kanilang nakita niyo yung mga micro-learning courses, they're just for 1 hour. They can just go back whenever they, it's flexible. So, hindi siya talagang magsistay sila for 8 hours, finish everything in one sitting. Hindi naman po ganun. So, we'll provide TA for that. And for now, what we can offer, we'll prepare po yung instructional videos, which they can really, once in a while, go back to or refer that to. And then, at the same time, we will give you the list po dun sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-navigate. Yun yung mga ways forward natin. No po. At pag may problema talaga, no, just coordination. We'll be having series of coordination meeting po para ma-iron out natin yung problema. As ang ating target ngayon is to really hit the 100,000 slots. And dun sa mga initial part ng navigation, yun ang ating solve. And of course, we'll be having series of coordination meeting. And please feel free to contact us. Actually, we've created a GC for each cluster name para po mas maganda yung coordination. Do not hesitate to inform your regional focus about it. And you're also free and to join meetings like this for e-learning course. Okay, so do we have agreeing to involve us through giving updates? Yeah, we'll coordinate with you po so that you can provide also, and you can also inform and remind your PACs po na meron na silang mga ganitong mga deadlines and kailangan nilang matapos po, no? All right. Also, contact details of the assigned focals. Ngayon, ang mga assigned focals niyo po ay yung mga regional focals niyo po, and then the regional focals coordinate with us, no? Yeah. Okay. And then of course, we'll be giving you the list of those now may access na at wala pang access. Alright. Okay. Now let's move on to the updates po ng submissions. Ayan. But if you opt to do the monitoring alone, having the huwag naman sana kaming magulat on all of a sudden instructions bibigyan. Okay. All right. So ang mahalaga po, no, makikita nyo kung anong batch na sila nabigyan at remind them na, okay, since you are given the access, you can navigate na po and go to the learning path assigned to you. Kasi sa email may nakalagay na pong learning path assigned to them. All right. So ito sa Central Luzon, let's check po. Take a picture of your region and at the same time the SDOs kasi ito po yung mga hahabulin po natin, ano? Na mga numbers and submission. Good thing yung iba naman may mga close to talaga completion at may mga nakapag-take na po. All right, so after this slide, let's check other slides po. Yan. Sa Nueva Ecija, there's a need to re-upload valid list. Please. Ayan, kaya wala pang nare-register, may mga 0 pa po. All right. Miss Annalyn, what's your question po?
Hello po, ma'am. Good morning. Ma'am, dito po sa San Fernando, meron po kasi, ang nakalagay po 206 for intake 1 packs, right? Apo. Actually, ma'am, 201 lang po ang aming packs, ma'am.
Alright.
Meron pong
so,
5,
sobra na.
hindi po namin sila kilala. They are not.
Okay. They're from different SDOs. So, anuhin natin in charge. Kasama po natin ang in charge dito sa database. So, San Fernando, ibigay natin up. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, nalaglag ako. Tinanggal ako sa platform.
Okay,
Hindi ko po
noted.
narinig yung sinabi niya. Ano po yun, ma'am?
Okay, so the ones in charge of the database are here. And in the note po namin, San Fernando, nakatag sila as complete. Tag naman kayo as complete. And then kung sino man yung sobra will find them. They'll find them po kung saan. Anong
Opo.
SDO.
Actually, ma'am, dun sa link po, in-upload ko po doon yung 5 na hindi po sa amin. Paki-check na lang po.
Free po tandaan po natin, free po ang e-learning course na ito. Kaya dapat ang po nila, ang i-check nila email that is coming from DepEd, no? Yun po ang DepEd, tapos yung learning path na for DepEd personnel, yung pinakita po ni Sir Dustin. Kasi nga, pag hindi po DepEd ito, ang LinkedIn po talaga ay may bayad. But this is really made free for the prioritized DepEd personnel. Okay? Yung pong ating mga participants. So pag merong nare-redirect po, please go back to the email sent sa ating mga participant. Unless walang email, ibang po yun, no? Okay. So let's go to Central Luzon again. Ayan yung mga, nyo po, number of packs at ang mga hahabulin pa. Take a picture po. Okay, let's move on. Calabarzon. Ang Calabarzon po honestly ang una sa mga nakapagbigay ng marami ng participants kaya sila yun din yung may mga ano po talaga na una sa batch na na-activate, no? Okay, at meron nag-ano po sila sa kanila natin kinuha yung magandang ano po, template, pattern nila kasi nga isang ano lang po ang ginawa nila eh. Isang folder, isang sheet, tapos may mga tab na po ng mga SDOs ang binigay nilang master list. Though meron pa kaming nililinis po sa Calabarzon, but sa kanila po natin, maganda po yung kanilang pagbibigay ng data. Ayan. So may marami pa rin namang hahabulin sa atin sa Calabarzon. Sir Brian?
Yes po, Ma'am Riza, good afternoon. Ay, good morning pa pala sa lahat po.
Alright.
Ma'am
Okay.
Riza, ang ano lang po na namin is there a way na makikita po namin kung sino ba yung may access at wala?
Yes, sir.
Kasi
Yes, sir. As I've mentioned, yeah. Go ahead, sir.
ang point lang naman kasi namin, ma'am, doon para at least ma-monitor din namin at our end at ma-remind din po namin at kung mayroon pa mga concern yung ibang mga scholars natin, no, yung, at least ma-address namin, yun lang po sana. Kasi nalilito din kami, ma'am, actually may mga nalilito, like what is the total register for intake 1? Kasi ma'am, may thinking na iba na wala silang intake 1. Tama po ba ang thinking na ay meron silang intake 1 ang problema? Ang pinag-uusapan po dito is the access, na meron po silang access. Tama po ba ang
Sir,
understanding ko?
Sir Brian, thank you so much for that concern or for raising that concern and that request. As I've mentioned earlier, we'll be giving you po a link to the list of those with access and without per region, and sabi daw po indicated din ang SDO. Sabi sa atin ng OD, ng Office of the Director in charge of the database. Yan po. Yan ang ibibigay nila within this afternoon maybe or tomorrow. Inaayos na po nila. Yan. Para makita nyo po kung sino pa ang dapat i-follow up. Sige
Okay
po,
po.
let's move
Ma'am,
on. Thank you.
po.
Yes. Alright.
Ma'am, isa na lang.
Okay, go ahead,
Okay
sir.
lang po ba? Yung ma'am, yung sa San Fernando, it was already na po yun, na relay ko na po kay Ma'am Dia yon.
Yes.
Prior na talagang 5 of those are not from Region 3. From palagay ko ma'am, Region 1 yan kasi may San Fernando kasi ng Region 1.
Oo. Yan po. Nasabi din naman sa akin ni Miss Dia po. Maraming salamat po. Kaya po. So tagdas complete na rin naman sila po. Yung San Fernando ng Region 3. Okay. So thank you so much, Sir Brian. Ito po sa region, sa Calabarzon. Yan. Ang Santo Tomas, there's a question, bakit ang intake 1 packs wala? This one, wala siyang number. This is empty. Okay. Ayusin natin. Hindi na-identify. Alright. Let's go to the next. Sige po. Flash muna namin, Arceli, yung iba pa po, Okay. Before I'll entertain your question. May Maropa. Yan pa. May mga hahabulin pa tayong iilan. Sa may Maropa. Itong Palawan, medyo. Sa Palawan po. Medyo po tinatawagan namin ng pansin ang Palawan. Ayan. Okay, next please. Meron pa po ba? Next. Bicol Region. Yan. Ayan. Okay. So pag may nagtatanong wala pa kaming access, please tell them po na by batch po. Actually, we provided to some. May first batch na tayo kasi may data cleansing na tinatawag. Tapos mabibigyan naman po lahat ng nasa tama. Tama. May matamang email address, merong undertaking na nasa master list. Tsaka yung categories po inaayos. Yeah. Next please. Ayan. Alright. Ma'am Arceli, your question po. Ma'am Arceli. Go ahead, Ma'am Arceli. You may speak.
Hello po. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Nakita ko po doon sa na-present kanina sa Angeles City. 2 weeks ago po, na-upload na po namin yung aming 223 confirmed intake 1 participants, yung undertaking po nila. And
Yung
then,
master
kaya
list po.
Opo, pati po yung master list namin, nandoon na rin po siya, ma'am. And then, pati na po yung mga nag-wave,
Yes.
kasama na po doon. Except for those
Na-replace po ba ang nag-wave? Kasi pag may nag-wave, we can replace them from intake 2 and intake 3. Doon lang tayo kuha po.
Kasi po, opo. Doon po kami nahihirapan, ma'am, kasi nakaschedule sila as intake 2 or intake 3. Ayaw po nilang mag-join sa intake 1 kasi nga po may mga prior schedules. Marami po silang reason.
Kindly
do we have
them.
to replace po ba yung mga nag-resign?
They have to be replaced po. As per instruction, we will get from intake 2 and intake 3 since they are priorities. Yun po yung kukuhanan natin.
So,
And
imimit po
wala
namin
tayong
yung
kukunin sa iba.
Okay, so imimit po namin yung target na 298.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright.
Sige po. Sige po. Thank you po.
Please also upload yung mga waiver. The waivers have to be signed then by the official signatories doon. Parang sa level ni SDS and RD po yun. So, they have to be approved yung mga nag-waive, no? Kasi nga, this is just micro-learning. They can be taken again sa mga not just in one sitting, konting hours lang siya, basta makabuo ka ng 48 hours in 3 months, you're good po. And this is for to help them as well. Kaya prioritize po. Marami tayong mga teachers kasi na hindi pa, this is a chance na dapat nila ring i-grab kasi ang dami-dami nating teachers and they're the ones prioritized for now. Alright, so nakalagay dito, can we have the final list of packs from our end? And dito, list of everything with a problem. Ayun po, yun nga ibibigay ng list natin na ibibigay ng OD. Magbibigay po sila ng mga hindi pa nabigyan ng access, no? At yung mga nabigyan na as our reference. Alright? Okay, so lahat naman po kinakapture tong nandito po sa natin, sa chat box. Okay, I think I can entertain one last question before I will play the HubMath on the navigation of the platform, but this can be accessed naman sa ating NAYAP FB page, and then we'll be giving you the link here at the chat box. Ms. Riza, please define total register. Access po bang total register for, I think, may access po ito. Ito yung na bigyan ng, or na data cleanse. We'll try to clarify that, ma'am, ha? Kasi mabibigyan naman tayo ng list po na may access at walang access. Sige po, go ahead po dun sa may question. One last question for now.
Miss Riza. Sorry.
Yes po, go ahead.
Hello po, Colleen po from DepEd 4A.
Miss Colleen 4A. Yeah.
Yes po, ma'am. May concern lang po ako regarding dun sa master list natin na binigay ni CO because yung binigay po ay school ID lang, di ba? Plus the name of the teachers. So, yung mga SDO counterparts po kasi natin, nag-harvest po sila ng data. And halimbawa po, yung sa SDO Tanawan, 24 lang po talaga yung teachers na nakita nila based dun sa school ID. Pero dito sa data na pinresent nyo po ay 48. Same goes po sa SDO Lucena. Meron po silang 210 na participants na na-identify based on your master list. Pero po dito sa data nyo ay 224. And meron na din po ako na-bring up from ibang SDOs. I think na message ko naman po sa inyo. So, is there way po na pwede po kaya na mabigyan kami nung breakdown talaga ng bawat SDO na na-identify po from your end since doon po ata nagkakaroon ng problem dahil hindi po namin sila mahanap. Parang wala po, either wala sila sa SDO kung saan sila naka-place or ayun po, wala sila dito sa region po namin mismo. Yun lang naman po.
Yeah, thank you so much for bringing that up. One of the targets is to really have data cleansing, and then we'll address that po. Nandito naman po ang ating mga in charge sa OD. They'll take note of that.
Thank you, Ma'am Riza. Salamat
All right. Thank you so much. Okay, I think we'll all together watch this video, the navigation of the e-learning platform.
Ready to dive into a world of new skills and exciting growth? It's quick and easy to get started. Just follow these steps and you'll be on your way to learning something awesome. Whether you're looking to level up in your current role or explore new career possibilities, we've got your back every step of the way. Let's get started. Step 1. Activation. Click the activation button or link sent to your email or LinkedIn notification. Step 2. Create account. If you see this page, select Create a LinkedIn Learning account. Step 3. Verify email. Enter the email ID where you received your activation email. Verify the code sent to your inbox, and create your account. Step 4. Onboarding. Your account is activated. We'll ask you some onboarding questions. Career goal. Some learners will be asked for their career goal. Skip option. You can skip onboarding by clicking the X in the top right corner. Step 5. Job title. Tell us your current job title to help personalize your learning experience. Step 6. Skill selection. Select the skills you are interested in learning. If you've specified a career goal, LinkedIn Learning may recommend top skills. Step 7. Weekly learning goal. Set a weekly learning goal to track your progress. You can update this anytime. Step 8. Course recommendations. Based on your inputs, LinkedIn Learning will recommend a few courses to kickstart your learning journey. You're all set up and ready to go. Your e-learning journey has officially begun, and we've got some great courses lined up just for you. Start exploring, learning, and growing at your own pace. Your next big skill is waiting. Let's make this learning adventure fun and rewarding.
Again, pwede nyo po yung ibigay sa ating mga participants at ang aming ibibigay sa inyo soon po ay ang instructional videos. Kasama na yung mga diniscuss ni Sir DT, no? Para maging guide nila, pwedeng i-play ng i-play. Ayan po. As for other problems and concerns, nandiyan naman po ang inyong focal na si Dia Shelo Carabania. I'm also nandun ako sa GC natin. So whatever concerns that you have, forward po namin yan. And of course, ang target na natin sa completion ng slots, although may mga in-extend na po natin ito until February 28, 2025. Yun yung target natin, makomplete na natin. Yung iba, konti na lang talaga, no? Ma-complete natin. Please explain to them nga yung feature nito, no? And please attend our Focals coordination meeting. This is maybe the second or the first one. Kasama na si SDO. SDO Focals, you are welcome to always join us sa e-learning coordination meeting po para mas may clarity, no? Lahat tayo, iisang interpretation sa program na ito. Okay, meron pa tayo yung mga ways forward ng management based on the submissions and all the concerns na ina-address natin. We'll give you as we conduct our next meeting. Pero please, ito po ang natin. Doon sa mga nagsasabing may MA ako, meron akong scholarship sa other, pwede po sila at kailangan po na because they're given again another opportunity for enrichment. And at the same time, we strongly encourage you to read and disseminate po yung supplemental memo natin kasi nakalagay doon po na the ROs, SDOs, and school heads should strongly support po our participants. And pakibalik nga dun sa slide po na number 3 sa ating ways forward. Ayan. School heads are advised po to implement arrangement to support the participation of our teacher scholars in the e-learning courses, such as making resources available for this purpose and including same as part of teacher ancillary tasks. Please be reminded of this. Again, disseminate all the memos po. The school heads are encouraged to allow the teacher scholars to use a portion of the 2 hours allocated for teacher ancillary tasks every day for their participation in the e-learning courses, which may be spent within or outside school premises. However, the number of hours spent for this purpose shall not exceed 2 hours per week. Teacher scholars shall not be required to submit documentary evidence or evidences or accomplishment reports on how the 2 hours of ancillary tasks were spent outside school premises as one of our support mechanisms to them. Para po matapos po nila. And the beauty of this is flexible and they can just work wherever they want and enjoy this e-learning courses. This program. All right. Last question, Mito. May interested participants, but included in intake 1, 2, and 3. Can we consider them? Again, pwede tayong kumuha ng replacement from intake 2 and 3 just to fill in the gaps or fill in the slots na hindi na kailangan i-replace dito sa ating intake 1. Again, intake 2 and 3. Last question, as I've said earlier po, I've answered. Wala tayong orientation but we'll be giving kasi it's a huge number no po. We can't handle those po sa CO level. Marami tayong mga packs na sa isang platform, but we'll be giving you the PubMats and the instructional videos. At ito rin, you can also use this meeting recording later on po as you disseminate information to our participants. If you hold maybe an orientation of your own to your participants. Instructional videos again will be provided. Ayan. Paano po if kulang ang number ng intake 2 and number 3, if everything is exhausted already, nakuha na lahat, kulang pa rin, na may report naman tayo, may update tayo, and then let's see as we report it to the management. At yun naman ang ibibigay nating update para sa next focal coordination meeting. Ayan po. At yung mga, kasi we'll be reporting naman the updates to the management. Ano na yung instruction natin para mabuo ang 100,000 slots. Okay po. Alright. Meron pa po bang question? I can entertain one last question. And if in case you have questions, just type it in the chat box and then we'll park them and then bigay na lang namin sa inyo yung mga answers after. Meron pa po ba? Anyone? Anyone who would like to speak? Alright. So far, na-answer naman po yung ibang mga questions natin. May mga lalabas pa dyang concerns. We know. Just keep on coordinating and keep on getting in touch with us sa ating mga GC. And again, marami pa tayong series of coordination meeting. But I think we'll end this meeting because it's lunchtime already. Okay. Ma'am, good. Kapag galing sa intake 3, yun po yung ilalagay niyo po siya sa list. Meron pong may enclosure po tayo sa memo natin na list of replacement, list ng name ng ni-replace at saang intake siya at ni-replacement saang intake din siya. Nandun po sa enclosure natin ng memo natin yan. Alright? Okay po. I think that's all for now for this meeting. Sabi ko nga, pwede naman kayo pag may mga concerns pa kayo. Thank you, Sir Brian and the rest of the team. We thank you, Cluster 2. I call them Cluster 2. Regions 3, 4A, 4B, and 5. Thank you so much for attending and many meetings to come. Maraming salamat po. Please enjoy your lunch. Marami pa kaming utang sa inyo. We'll just give you the links. Maraming salamat. Bye, everyone. Thank you.